Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sabrina. My channel is The Hopeful Minimalist. It's a safe space for handbag admiration. So if you are a handbag lover, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. So I have a temporary location for my camera. Hopefully it works and it doesn't fall over. This is my bag of the day. It's the Pochette East West in the gunmetal color, and this was my travel bag. This was my work bag today in the office. Love it. No complaints. This is a Louis Vuitton purchase that I have had zero issues with. No quality issues, and I have had my fair share of quality issues with my brand new Louis Vuitton purchases. So I love using it. It's a small silhouette, but packs a huge punch. I still have the front compartment completely empty, so my personal cell phone can go in there. In the back, I have a passport and my work phone. I've got all of my little essentials packed into the middle. Like I said, I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton in store. It's been a minute since I made a purchase in store other than fragrances. So I have a receipt, and she told me she gave me a perfume sample, but it must be in the box. So they packaged it up for me. So this is the new style box that I've seen on some videos. It has a push button or something. I don't know. So that's how it opens. So I have a sample for a Trap Rev. I'm well overdue for a perfume sample. Well overdue. Just one sample. You can probably tell by the shape and size of the bag that it's East-West style. It's not another Pochette Matisse, but let's see what it is. Here it is. I did post this in my stories on Instagram, so you might not be surprised at all by what it is. This is the Liv Pochette in the Damier Azure print, which to me has always meant blue because of the azure, but it's like checkerboard print. And this bag is basically like two pochettes together. And ironically, I did just sell my multi-pochette in the monogram print. I had been wanting something in this print for a while. I did have a favorite bag in this print. I have missed it for a long time, and so this is its replacement, I suppose. I am finding myself gravitating towards smaller bags. I feel like there's a challenge there to see what you can fit in them, how minimal you can be, how you can kind of not restrict yourself, but discipline yourself to carry only what you need in a small bag. And I actually like that. It is two pochettes though, like I said. They have zipper closures on both. There is a middle compartment here because these are fused together somehow. I guess they are stitched together, so you do have a functional working pocket in the middle, as well as the two zipper compartments for each pochette. As far as straps go, it does come with a chain strap, and this looks very similar to the chain that comes with the mini bum bag as far as style goes. The style information if you're interested. And then it also comes with this crossbody strap, which can also be converted into a shoulder strap, or a shoulder strap which can be converted into a crossbody strap, and it is vachetta. My favorite part of the bag is the inside because it is pink, and that kind of solidified it for me, seeing the inside. I have also been looking at the slouchy PM in the Damier Azure, and the pink interior, it really does it for me. Another thing I really like about Some of the small bags lately, they come with a lot of versatility, multiple ways to wear it because it comes with the chain on your shoulder, of course, as a clutch, and just have it hang as decoration. I really like how the canvas feels really soft and supple. It's not the same kind of canvas that I had on the multi-pochette. To my point before, this would be another way to wear this with the crossbody strap and let the chain hang. Shoulder carry is also an option. And as you can see, this strap is not really long. This falls on me exactly where I like for it to. This is where it hits me crossbody, so that is pretty high. Like I said, I like this. I like for my bags to hit me about here. Could be considered short for some. And this is how it looks on the shoulder. I think this bag is so adorable. I'm going to show you what fits in it. The ultimate challenge will be, can I fit everything from my Pochette Matisse East West inside? What do you think? I don't know. Like I said, it's very soft, squishy, malleable, forgiving, but I've got zippers, so I don't know if that's going to kind of restrict things. Let's just see. Forgive the hotel background. So here we go, Liv Pochette. This is your first compartment here, and then you have the middle, which is kind of an unofficial compartment, but technically it is. And then you have the back compartment. This is the Pochette Matisse East West and how full it is currently. So I've got 2 of the little Ziploc bags with my goodies in it. Let's put those in the back pochette. My work phone, I'm putting in the back pochette. Passport. I have my dress up your purse envelope pouch where I have all of my cards and cash. Put that in the front one. Hand sanitizer. Let's put that in the front. I had a lipstick. Gonna stick that down in there. AirPods. I think it's getting a little full and I don't want to force anything, but we do have this middle compartment here. So let's see if I were to put my phone in the middle here, would that help at all? Put that back in there. Lip balm. Key fob. It's pretty tight, and the back one I think will zip. Yeah, that one zipped just fine, but this one is a bit too full, and I don't want to force it. So, okay, so I need everything in this one, so I'm gonna leave that one as is and add the AirPods back there. Still zips perfectly fine, not stretched or anything. And then in the front, I've got the envelope pouch, the hand sanitizer, the lipstick, and the key fob. That zips perfectly. And then in the middle, I have the phone. Totally different bag than the Pochette Matisse East West, but still soft, and you can see there's room right here. See how that's like empty right there? So I think it's all about the shape of your items and how they fit, because there's plenty of room in there still to spare. It just depends on, you know, the shape of what you put in there. I don't usually have anything like this on my key fob. This is the rental car, so it's a little different for me, but without that in there, perfect. This is how she looks, filled up with my items and with the chain strap. I kind of like how it goes in between the pochettes like that. I just think it looks different. If I wanted to just use the chain strap, I could use that. It's pretty short with just the chain. Kind of hits under that awkward part of your arm that you don't want to like over accentuate, but it is a way to carry it, so I like that. And then the last way is just crossbody. So you could let it come all the way out if you wanted to, like that. And that's how it would look on that length. Or you can put it on the actual clasp, like that. And that's how it would fall. So I love it. I think it's the cutest bag. And I don't know if this is a good thing, me becoming excited about these small bags. This was the Liv pochette. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.